Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 7th of February, 2019. Weather, it's going to be a rainy day, high of 46, low temperature tonight of 24. Tomorrow is supposed to be pretty cold. The high temperature tomorrow will actually be over tomorrow night or this evening. Chance of rain today about 90%, so it looks like we're going to have inside recess. Playground's pretty nasty out there, pretty icy and whatnot. So PBIS expectation of the week, the one day that I've been here, 2 days that you've had school, we've talked about the hallway and stair. Talked about being safe, keeping your hands and feet to yourself, walking in the hallway, and using the handrail. Being responsible, you need to stay in a single file line. Go directly to your location and voice level of 0. We've really struggled with this. We need to do a better job with it. I can really say, though, our 4th grade team has done a really nice job with it, as well as the majority of our 3rd grade team. 5th grade, you guys are falling behind a little bit in terms of keeping that voice level 0 when you guys are moving throughout the building. So please do a better job of that. I know your teachers are working hard with you for it. Stay to the right, respect the artwork and the posters hanging on walls and lockers. We've done a fantastic job of that this year. Great job, and keep that up. 5th grade trip to the PAC is still on for Friday. Again, NWA and Fontes and Pinel testing are due the 8th. We will have our meeting next Tuesday in regards to our data. Again, I haven't heard anything in terms of changes, even though we've had the 9 snow days in our window. Our lunch today, they shifted yesterday, so we have pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, celery sticks with wow butter, banana, and crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at some chicken bites with Dutch waffle, whole kernel corn, apple slices, and some of those wonderful crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements, our MLK celebration. We're going to get it in. Pastor Brown, I've talked with her a couple times. We'll see what she wants in terms of when we do that, so I will let you know when we're going to do that. And again, we still have the recruitment trip. So, question for today. When was the 50th star added to the flag? So what we need down here in the office is we need the date that it was added and the state that was added. So the date it was added to the flag, not the date that that state became a state, if that makes sense. So the date that the flag got its 50th star officially, and the state that gave it that star. Okay? Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Answers right here. All right, here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.